My name is Aria Oluwakemisola. Listen. Olaiton Omomajem, aka World Famous, aka Sidikatu, aka Omogara, aka Tsunami, aka Wadefalano, aka Yadesha, aka Shift Tenants. Is it not plenty in the air? Okay, to everybody watching this video, we want to say a big thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for supporting KSOPA. We love you so much. 2024, we are going harder. Go hard or go home. A big shout out to the Icon, my boss. And a big shout out to my one and only mentor, my boss, Kemity. Okay? And I want to say a big thank you to Mr. Laxon. I want to call me by name. Thank you, sir. We really appreciate you. Thank you so much, sir. On behalf of myself and KSOPA, we say a very big thank you. Thank you so much. We really appreciate you guys. On behalf of our PRO, Olamide and Naboke, and our PRO for VIP, the very special students, very special VIP, Ijesaekun. Thank you so much, Ijesa. Thank you for standing with me always. God bless you. We really appreciate you. So listen, I've had cake hold on. Tori awala ni cake wa. Awala la ma to bebo. Awala la ma je gan wa. Gbogbo ite wa pátápátá látorí gbogbo CEO pátá. In fact, Ishoko. Atuwari shiamo. Atuwari ya shiamo. It is shake a bit. Okay, before we cut the cake, I would like to organize, I would like to appreciate my event planner and to package eventing. To the Emperor Jeezy. But before we go, I would like to appreciate Arinoja from Abeokuta. Where is Arinoja? Where is Arinoja? Where is Arinoja? TV goes for Arinoja. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Another TV goes for Arinoja. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. God bless you. Uncle Arinoja, what a dear. You'll be a superstar. Not star without money, but star with money. And to my student one by one, this is dance show. And this is and this is and this is Ahmed. And this is Binti. And this is Omoyaluku.
Mimi, Olamide, Adiola.
Don't be silly. As you want to want. I'm not telling you, I am. Sabila, where is he? Oh, Pastor Shagu.
And this is Jasmine.
And this is Jasmine. And this is my life. Everything about my life. Everything about my life, my ATM machine, my POS, my everything. Never do it all. I kidnap her. As I took this producer, my debit or not. And this is my one and only love, Ijesaekun. Okay, before we go, I'd like to introduce my daughter. If you look at where are you? Okay, guys. Sorry for you. Speech take a record. Thank you. Let's go, baby. Incoming lawyer, celebrity lawyer. Okay, you have any case? I'm not worried. I'm not going to
Good evening, everyone. My name is and I just want to give you a small speech about humanity. First expression. They say, what if the first expression comes from a disorganized person or someone that is going through hard times in life? Not everyone can control their sanity when it comes to humanity. Some of them are beautiful people, but when going through stress and all, their expression is always wrong. If you are meeting someone for the first time and the person is not doing well, their first expression is going to decide how you are going to choose who they are, if they are going to be a bad person or a good person. But you don't know what they are going through. You don't know if they are sad, you don't know if they are happy or not. Humanity is going through a lot. So give people a chance, but don't give it twice. Thank you.
Okay. Everyone, you know, everyone now so cool. I have 100 level. Debit alert, you know. I'm very so cool. A big shout out to my firstborn, my first fruit. Adesha, I love you so much. Mama, love you so much. I love you, baby. So thank you, everybody. We have after party. Everybody called you, but I'm very so